All right, I always go through sine, cosine, and then here it goes tangent. And it's like, oh crap, like Bruce, right? So now we're going to be dealing with the tangent. So let's say I want to find the tangent of an angle, and let's just use my famous angle, 75 degrees. If I want to find the tangent of 75 degrees, just like sine and cosine, I can plug it in my calculator, but I'm going to get an approximation. It's not going to be on my unit circle. I can't find my exact value. So I need to apply the tangent function. And a lot of times, tangent function gives kids a little bit of cringes because they know, at least on sometimes unit circle, you're always rationalizing denominators, all this kind of stuff. And guess what? Tangent's going to be a little bit more difficult, a little bit more work compared to our sine and cosine functions. However, if I want to evaluate for the tangent of 75 degrees, I can use my sum and difference formulas. Well, for this one, I can break this up into a sum of 30 degrees plus 45 degrees. And there's a formula for us to evaluate for the sum of two angles and the tangent. There's also a formula for the difference. Now, the difference could be, two other angles that are going to subtract then to either get not 75 degrees, but maybe another angle that we determine. So let's say I want to find the sum of two smaller angles. Now, it's important that for our angles u and v that we can evaluate them exactly by using our unit circle. So we have the tangent of u plus v. So that's going to equal the tangent of u plus the tangent of v divided by 1 minus the tangent of u times the tangent of v. So the one thing important to notice about the sum for the tangent function is it's going to be positive in the numerator and then the opposite sign in the denominator. Because when we look at the difference formula for the tangent function, so if I'm going to take two angles and I'm going to subtract them, and that's going to give me the angle that I'm trying to evaluate for, I could say the tangent of u minus v, and that's going to produce the tangent of u minus the tangent of v divided by 1 plus the tangent of u 10 times the tangent of v. So again, what we're going to do is when we have our values of our angles, we're going to simply plug them into the function or into our formula, evaluate, and then simplify. Thanks.